You've probably read in the headlines or heard that NASA's Voyager spacecraft crossed a wall of fire at the edge of our solar system. It sounds quite epic. A wall of fire. But is there any truth to this? Is our solar system really surrounded by a ball of fire? Fasten your seatbelts, because today we'll learn the truth about this amazing journey of the Voyager probes. We'll explore what they actually saw and experienced at the edge of our solar system. Voyager was an amazing journey and its amazing discoveries. Friends, before we unravel the mystery of the Wall of Fire, it's important to understand why we trust the Voyager spacecraft so much. These are no ordinary machines. They are one of humanity's greatest explorers. So let's take a quick recap of this legendary mission and some of its discoveries that changed the world of space science. This mission first began in 1977. Think back to the days when CRT-TVs existed and computers were the size of living rooms. In 1977, NASA launched two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Voyager 2 launched on August 20th, and Voyager 1 launched a few weeks later on September 5th. I know it's a little confusing that Voyager 2 launched before Voyager 1. Well, the reason was the trajectory. Voyager 1 was sent on a faster and shorter path. That's why it overtook Voyager 2 near Jupiter. Their mission was made possible by a very rare astronomical event, a planetary alignment that occurs only once every 176 years. This alignment brought all the outer planets of our solar system, such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, to the same side. This allowed NASA scientists to use a gravity assist, or slingshot maneuver. Simply put, gravity assist is like a slingshot to propel a stone. Just as you would accelerating a rock from a slingshot, these spacecraft used each planet's gravity as a slingshot. They would approach a planet, steal a small portion of its orbital energy from its gravity, and then, without expending any fuel, would accelerate toward the next planet at double or triple speed. Because of this grand tour concept, we were able to see everything in a 10-year mission that would have otherwise taken 30 to 40 years. And the technology is mind-blowing. The computers on each Voyager spacecraft would seem like toys compared to today's smartphones. They had only 69 kilobytes of memory. You heard that right? Kilobytes. Today, even a small photo on your phone is many times larger. With that 1970s technology, both spacecraft are still working 45 years later. Isn't that absolutely mind-blowing? Big discoveries of Voyager. Voyager's primary mission was to study Jupiter and Saturn. But the data they sent us changed the entire picture of our solar system. Let's take a look at their wonders, one by one. When Voyager 1 and 2 arrived near Jupiter in 1979, they sent us images of this guest planet like we'd never seen before, volcanoes on Io. This was perhaps one of Voyager's greatest discoveries. Before then, we thought active volcanoes were only on Earth, but Voyager saw 8 active volcanoes spewing fire on Jupiter's moon Io. One entire moon was alive, spewing lava from within. This was a game-changing discovery. It proved that even planetary moons could be geologically active, rings of Jupiter. Everyone thought rings were only found on Saturn. But Voyager 1 discovered a thin dust ring system around Jupiter. It was so faint that it was invisible from Earth. Europa's ocean. Voyager took images of another of Jupiter's moons, Europa. These images revealed strange cracks and lines on Europa's icy surface. Observing these, Scientists hypothesized that beneath this thick layer of ice might lie a vast ocean of salt water, a sea that could potentially harbor life. Today, Europa is considered one of the most important places to search for life, and Versus laid the foundation for this. After Jupiter, both Versus probes approached Saturn and performed exceptionally well there as well. From Earth, we see Saturn's rings as a solid band. But Versus showed that these rings are actually composed of thousands of thin ringlets, like the grooves of a record. They also observed strange structures within the rings, such as spokes and braided rings. How did these form? This remains a mystery. The mystery of Titan. Versus 1 conducted a close flyby of Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Here, it discovered something no one expected. Titan has a very dense, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, even denser than Earth's. Because of this, Titan's surface was hidden in a twilight. To study Titan, Voyager 1 had to change its path, and this caused it to fly above the plane of the solar system. It couldn't reach Uranus and Neptune. Voyager also discovered new, smaller moons of Saturn, such as Pen, Atlas, Prometheus, and Pandora, and flew by Uranus. After Titan, Voyager 1 departed for interstellar space. But Voyager 2's grand tour continued. In 1986, it reached Uranus. This was humanity's first encounter with this guest planet, the Sideways Planet. Voyager 2 confirmed that Uranus is tilted on its axis by approximately 98 degrees. If you're new to our channel, do subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon for latest updates about secrets hidden from the world.